Hello guys! Recently I did review of this keyboard, this new keyboard from Corsair K65 Plus wireless, and to be honest, I was not super impressed with this keyboard, mostly because it's quite high price and quite low amount of new features. But let's try to do something different this time. So first of all, let's check what is inside this keyboard, and second, let's transform this boring keyboard into something more fun and interesting. Shall we? First of all, before we will touch the structure of the keyboard, let's do the initial sound test. Pretty standard sound, not bad for the gaming keyboard, but not good for the typing keyboard. Okay, let's remove all keycaps and switches first of all. Next step, let's remove screws and open the case of the keyboard. And there we go. So basically this is a PCB without any layer on top of it, but we have this foam, dampening and sound foam between metal plate and PCB, right? So all good from this point of view. And stabilizers are screwed into the PCB, and they are not the best whatsoever. And why? Because it's so much rattling. This is just crazy. So first, quick mod, let's just add a little bit of lubricant to these stabilizers. I want to say awful stabilizers, but it will be not professional, right? Interesting fact, only space stabilizers are pre-lubed, all other stabilizers as is. Next step is, as always, painter type mod, and don't forget to leave the space for the connectors. And there you go. So painter type mode, stabilizers improved, we've checked internal structure and we know that it's silicon pad underneath of this PCB sandwich, and now we are ready to proceed with new switches. And today I will use this ACOP version 3 Pro switches. This is tactile with 45 plus minus 10 gram force parameter, and I just like them, and they're pre-lubed, so I'm sure it will be very nice enhancement of this keyboard. And we are done with switch exchange. Right now we have this pleasant violet look and my preferred tactile switches. Let's move to the keycaps. And today I will use this keycap set from Skylong. Very interesting set. And let's see how this keyboard will look like with these keycaps. This is like clear from a side and with plastic part on top. So it should be very interesting from RGB point of view. And here we go. This is new look of our Corsair mechanical keyboard. This K65 Plus wireless, and it looks much better than the original one. And let's do the last touch and sound and RGB test. As a last touch, I have changed this mechanical knob from standard gray one to this little bit bigger, so it will be easier to use this metal knob, aluminum knob. And in general, let's do the new sound test. RGB of this keyboard was never, you know, the strongest part of the product, but now at least we can see this RGB through the clear part of the keycaps, and in general this keyboard became more gaming, if I may to say. What do you think, guys? Please leave a comment in the comment section under the video if you like what we get at the end. If not, also please leave a comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit this like button if you like this video, and unlike if you unlike the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.